This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have 2 tables. Now start building the Vlookup. Select the cell where you want the result, then type equals Vlookup and enter the lookup value, for example A2. Next, highlight the table array with the lookup column on the left, make it absolute with $ if you'll copy the formula across. After that, add the column index number for the return column. Finally, end the formula with false for exact match or true for approximate, and press enter. Once you have a working Vlookup, make it robust. Replace the column index with match when you expect columns to move. This finds the right column automatically. Make the table array absolute with $signs so copying cells won't break references. Then, wrap the Vlookup in ifr to return a friendly message like not found instead of hash and /a. Also, if you need case-sensitive lookup, consider combining index and match. I'll show that next if you need it. To finish, copy formulas and verify results across rows. Scan for hash and /a or wrong matches. If you see incorrect results, make sure the lookup key has no leading / trailing spaces by using trim, and confirm numbers are numbers, not text with value. If your lookup column isn't leftmost, switch to index / match. It returns values from any column. Troubleshooting tip: when matches fail, inspect a problem cell with equals len and equals type to reveal hidden characters or type mismatches that break Vlookup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.